Magandang araw Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Bigyan niyo po ako ng 30 minutes ng inyong mga oras dahil ngayon po ang oras ng ating chikahan. Ngayon po, welcome sa iSpotted. And of course, ako pa rin po yung mga kasama. Ako pa rin po si Anton at marami po akong guest ngayong araw na to. Ano? Mga naggogapuhan, mga nagagandahan, medyo merong hindi gwapo, pero sila lahat sila ay talaga namang dapat nating makapanayam ngayong araw na to dahil ito lalo na doon sa mga gusto maging modelo, ano? Dahil ito po ang nagbibigay ng pagkakataon para maging modelo ang inyong o kayo mismo, ano? Siyempre, unahin natin magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Yes!
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome dito po naman sa aming istasyon, lalo na sa aking show na iSpotted. Marami akong kakilala dito eh. Lalo na itong dalawang ito. Lalo na itong dalawang ito na napaka... Naku, kung makikilala nyo lang mamaya, ano, mamaya papakilala natin sila at kung malalaman nyo lamang ang kanilang mga credentials. Talaga namang bibilog ang inyong mga mata dahil sila po ay hinahabol-habolan because of their credentials. Of course, umpisa natin ang pagpapakilala mula din sa nag-iisang bagets na lalaki. Sir, your name?
Hi guys, ako po si Jermaine Kailing.
Okay. And?
Hi everyone, I am Kat.
Hi watchers, I am Bridget.
Of course, DC here.
DC is?
Don Cristobal.
Don Cristobal. Oh, yes.
Hello, iSpot. My name is Icon Santos.
Hello, I'm Noel Loreto.
Ayan, okay. Sir Noel, mauna ako. Ano po ang pinaka-work ninyo?
Actually, photographer ako. Lately, more on fashion photography. And then, I have the chance na maging photographer din ni Sir Don. And then, ngayon naman, nag-organize kami ng runway in Batangas.
Sa Batangas?
Yeah.
At ito ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon.
Yeah.
Ang runway sa Batangas.
Yes, po.
Tama po. Si Icon ay?
I'm a fashion photographer and nag-immerse na rin slowly into events management. Certain events were made back in the years just before the pandemic. But before then, I was a trainer for a BPO in BGC. And then after that, madami.
Yes. Pero ngayon focus ka as fashion photographer and direction of events. Ayan, okay. Oo, pag nakita nyo to, pag nag-English yan, ako, tondas ko dyan. And of course, kasama natin ang pinakamayaman sa grupo. Ang kinababaliwan ng mga modelo dahil gusto magkaroon ng exposure hindi lamang national, kundi local, kundi international din. Of course, si Don Cristobal. Sir Don, magandang araw sa iyo.
Magandang araw sa lahat. Ako po si Don Cristobal. Simpleng tao lang.
Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya.
Ako po isang fashion designer who's very active in producing events also. And very active din mag-participate sa lahat ng mga fashion week. Hindi lang po local but abroad also.
Okay, ayan. Sir Ruel, itong fashion show na gaganapin ninyo, kailan ito at bakit kayo bumuo ng ganitong klaseng event?
Ang ano natin is this coming November 15.
Okay.
Yung events na to, actually, meron kaming group ng mga photographers sa Lipa. And then...
And you're one of the members or you're the president?
I am the founder and
you're
at the same time the president.
Oh, wow. Oo. Bukod hindi kayo kasama sa DPWH, no? Pag mga founder talaga, medyo ano yan eh. Medyo delikado yan, kaya medyo ingat-ingat kayo. Okay.
And then, yung group kasi namin, na-engage kami into fashion photography. And then, so, dumating kami dun sa point na why not mag-start tayo ng sarili nating parang event for runway. So, para mabigyan ng chance yung ibang photographers, at the same time, yung mga models based in Batangas, na magkaroon ng venue para ma-develop yung skills, at the same time, mapakita yung kung anong meron sila.
Okay. Aside from sinabi niya na kailangan mabigyan ng exposure ang mga models sa Batangas, bakit sa Batangas in particular, Icon?
Well, to be honest, kasi Metro Manila is kind of saturated na with fashion shows here and there. And we felt the silence of the southern province, mainly Batangas, Cavite, Laguna. So we haven't heard of them. So why not reach out? So by reaching out, it's not only we're immersing the culture of these provinces to Manila, but vice versa. So ini-immerse din natin yung culture and how it is being done in Manila, and then we're going to apply that to these provinces. So it's a win-win situation naman.
Oh, galing mo sumagot, no?
Thank you.
Oo, nagte-train ka rin ng mga beauty queens sa Q&A?
Yes. Back in 2017, 2018, I directed Mr. and Miss Pasay, also known as Travel City. So part of
I was there.
Yes, you were there.
Oo.
With Doc Risa.
Yes, hindi pa tayo magkakilala noon.
Yeah, miss na po nga ako nun eh.
Hala, ako nga yung tinalayan mo noon eh. Oo.
Ay, happy belated birthday pala, Doc
Yes,
Risa.
oo.
Yes, I think she's gonna be watching. So, part of our program is not only to teach the candidates on how to properly walk on stage, but also we hone their skills, and then we hone their communication skills as well. What better way to convey your thoughts and sentiments is for you to have a better communication skill. So, pagdating na question and answer, it would be easy for you to, i-relay mo lang what's inside your mind, but it has to have a proper vehicle.
Di ba? Ang taray, no? Sir Don, ano? Of course, Sir Don. Anong ginagawa mo dito, Sir
My head
Don?
is spinning. And my nose is bleeding.
Sir Don, anong ginagawa mo dito sa grupong ito?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. I woke up like this na lang. But anyways, kidding aside, I was invited to the Lipa event. And,
As one of the...
future designer.
Okay.
Kaya we're so happy. We're actually excited for this. It's because it's the first time of the. I mean, this is their second time now, but this is my first time to be there as a feature designer. So excited ako kasi naimbitahan tayo eh. Kasi ang alam ko para lang to talaga sa Batangas,
Yes.
fashion people. We are very glad na we were invited para naman to give inspiration naman din sa lahat. Kasi may mga models naman din talaga ako na taga Batangas. Yun.
Pero itong event na to is not only exclusive for Batangas models, no? Kundi Southern.
Yes, we have designers coming from Laguna also, and siguro part Cavite, and then Manila. Yeah, pero ilalagay or ihohon lang siya sa Lipa kasi in respect to Lipa Photography Circle. So kumbaga yun yung hometown nila. So,
And speaking of fashion photographer, of course may mga models talaga.
Yes.
At itong tatlong ito ang makakasama bilang mga modelo. Tama?
One of them.
Yeah. Kay Bridget, pang ilang beses mo na ito na makakasama sa grupo?
It's actually my first time, so I'm incredibly grateful to be part of this group and this project that gives such generous opportunities po to models like me.
Paano ka nakuha sa grupo? Nag-audition ka ba or somebody selected you to be part of the group?
I registered through a designer po from Cabuyao City, which is also Jan Marini, and I'm actually very thankful for her because if it weren't for her, I wouldn't have met Sir Icon, Sir Noel, and I wouldn't be here right now.
John Marini, di ba singer yun?
siya ba yun? Si John Marini?
Jan Marini, designer po.
Jan Marini Capascio.
Yes.
So hindi siya singer.
He's a designer.
Kaya nga, di ba? Oo. Baka nagbago siya ng career. And of course, yung pagiging model mo at ang pagiging designer ni Sir Don ay nagkaroon ng fusion, nagsama sa isang katauhan at ikaw iyon, Kat. How long have you been a designer?
Well, it's almost been like a year, I think.
Very new.
Yeah, very new. I started my collection just last year, and yeah, it was such a great opportunity. It's because of them. From being a model, I flourished into being a designer, and so yeah, it's such a great opportunity as well to be part of the fashion show and to get to meet Sir Don
course.
Cristobal. Yeah, it's
Of
such a dream
course.
come true.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Di ba? Don Cristobal yan eh.
Yeah, I'm just a beginner, just exploring my options, and to be here with him, it's such a great opportunity.
Oo, actually hindi lamang mga beginner ang humahanga talaga dyan. Even mga mga
fashion
nagme-mentor na ng mga
enthusiasts.
design.
Yeah.
Kasi kakaiba, Sir Don, kakaibang design mo, no? More on napaka-colorful. At saka parang mga parang kumbaga sa painting parang abstract ang dating, no? Oo. Saan ka kumukuha ng inspirasyon?
Marami tayong pinaghuhugot ng inspiration. Depende sa gising sa araw.
Depende sa gising, depende sa ulam.
But kidding aside, of course, when it comes naman to, developing a project, sketching, tapos pagbuo ng design as well as inspiration. So, we do our research. Normally, yun talaga yung ginagawa ko, no? For specific runway show, kung merong theme yan. So, dumadaan tayo sa sa matinding research before doing anything. Bago tayo maghanap ng tela, bago tayo mag-sketch. Ayan. So, pag-aaralan muna natin yung takbo nung program or nung show para mas madali na para sa atin bumuo ng collection.
Ayun. At kung meron namang isa, depende sa kanyang personality.
Yes, of course. Yung pagdadamit natin sa model na katulad nila, syempre nakadepende yun sa personalidad ng mga modelo natin para mag-fit
Correct,
yung
no?
kabuuan ng look.
Yes, parang siya ang nagdadala sa damit, hindi siyang dinadala ng damit.
Yes.
Correct. Anyway, dati, pag sinabing model, nandun yung matatangkad, di ba? Sobrang tatangkad. Pero ngayon nagbago na ang
Yes,
trend, no?
yes.
Oo, nagkaroon na, mula nung naumpisa sa Miss Universe, di ba, na...
Kasi it's one good way of, cutting the dogma. Yung, when you're a model, you have to be this tall and this skinny. When in real life, it's not the usual clothing naman that we wear.
Yes,
diba?
correct.
Like, tulad natin.
Mas maraming
yung mga-
matataba katulad natin.
Ayan, paano naman kami?
Correct.
So, why not, divert the collection to something that is marketable and is parang doable to regular people. So, kasi pag nakakita ka ng fashion show, ang tatangkad nila, papayat nila, hanggang doon na lang, paano naman tayong matataba?
Correct,
Paano naman yung mga pandak?
Yes,
So, let's do away with that and then create a different market. And that's how it is. So, ganun na siya.
Oo. Kai, pang ilang beses mo na ito? Ang gwapo-gwapo nito ni Kai, no? Oo.
Artista.
Correct, artistahin.
I think third time or fourth time na po.
Sa grupo?
Yes, sa model.
With DC.
Sa'yo. Okay. Artistahin ng
bata
batang
yan,
ito.
uhugin pa yan nasa
Talaga ba?
DC Manila.
Oo.
He started doing the runway.
Uhugin pa. Hindi, ibig sabihin, hindi na siya uhugin ngayon. How young are you, Kai?
Now, I'm 15 pa lang.
Hindi, last year.
Last year.
15.
Yes.
Super bata.
But he's tall. He's 5'9".
Talaga?
I think you're-
Ganyan ang height ko, 5'9", nung hindi pa ako sinatabla ng sumpa. Nung tumala ng sumpa, nag-shrink. Okay. How does it feel, Kai, na sa murang edad mo, nag-walk ka na sa mga runways? Lalo na ang umpisa, nung first time mo,
Nung
ano
first
naramdaman
time.
mo? Of course, nandun ang
Kinabahan.
nervousness.
But, actually, di ko rin alam paano napunta sa modeling.
Pagising mo, walk up like this, andun ka na sa tablado. No?
Kasalanan niya nung mommy for sure.
But, happy naman. It's enjoyable.
Yeah,
Walking sa runway. Kasi, syempre, na-expose rin yung potential as a model. Well, that's mostly it lang.
Yeah, oo. Of course, hindi ka naman magiging pangatlong beses kung hindi ka nag-enjoy, no?
Yeah.
Oo. Pero sinong ina-idolize mo? Kasi of course, ang mga models and designers, may mga, and of course, photographers, may mga ina-idolize. Ako, mayroon din ako ina-idolize eh. Ang ina-idolize ko, Icon Santos eh. Kaya ganito ako kababaw kasi mababaw lang din naman ang aking kaibigan. Di ba? Sino ina-idolize mo?
Si Sir Don.
Oh.
Kasi iba yung fashion niya eh.
Oo.
Very unique.
Correct.
I agree.
Oo.
Kahit
Very
naman
balanced.
ako, nung una ko makita si Don, ay bakit iba yung design niya sa iba?
Di ba, ano?
Kailangan maging friends kami.
Oh.
Then we've been friends for 10 years.
Oh, really?
Oh, the first time we met,
Tapos magkaaway kayo 9 years.
ano, never kami nag-awa.
Oo, talaga.
So 10 years, so dahil sabi, may opportunity to watch a show sa mall. Saan nga mall yun doon? Basta sa 500 show. So we met a person, sabi ko, oh my God, sabi ko ganyan. The Don Cristobal, na-meet ko na in person. Then eventually, we worked together. So there was a magazine that he published. I think that was 2017, 2018, and then he featured.
At ang ganda ng magazine.
Yes.
Super ano,
Yes.
di ba?
Super
Hardbound
bongga.
talaga.
Yes.
Oo.
Hindi lang siya coffee table
Yes.
book ba tawag doon? So, hindi lang siya ganon. So, I was given the opportunity. Since then, we had a very good working relationship na. He even included me in that fashion show in Baguio, no?
Yes.
Madami namin
Oo.
pinagsama.
Kai, wala ka bang balak mag-artista?
May balak din.
May balak.
Yeah.
Oh, pero parang mamu yata may balak talaga.
Ako manager.
Nag-audition ka na? Pupunta sa mga audition or gossip?
Hindi pa man nag-audition.
Oo.
Sooner or later.
Yes, oo. Saan ka kumukuha ng inspiration mo, Kat, sa iyong pagiging designer?
Well, there's a lot of, pwede natin pagkuhaan ng mga inspirations. But one of those are some of my designer friends, just like Jan Marini Capascio, na naging friend ko since way back pa. They are really one of my inspirations to conduct and to create. Yeah, so, and of course, right now, there's, the fashion industry is evolving, so there's a lot more, kahit sa maliliit lang na bagay na yun, you can create something. And that's the beautiful thing about fashion. You can turn nothing into something.
Yes,
Yeah.
totoo yun, no?
Correct.
Oo. Ikaw, Bridget, ilang taon ka lang?
17.
17? Ako, mga minor de edad pala ito. Ba't dinala niyo ako ng mga minor de edad?
May parental concept.
Okay. Bridget, pagdating sa modelo, ito yung mga tao na wala silang pakialam sa sarili nila, lalo kapag ka nagbibihis na sila, parang ano na, how far can you go?
I think as a model, I've really loved the fashion industry since I was a child. So I guess I can give it my all, and I'm not closing any doors to any kinds of opportunities, no matter how threatening they might be at first po.
Wow. Uso-uso na rin ang mga nude models. Oo, posible ba na mapunta ka doon or pasukin mo rin yun?
I'm not closing my doors as long as it's for a cause, it's beneficial, and it can help me grow in the future.
Correct. Oo. Paano mo masasabi na ang isang tao, isang modelo, ay yung mag-grow siya pagdating sa modeling?
Yung growth naman kasi, it's not a physical aspect. It's
Yes.
always the character.
Yeah, I agree.
It's always the character. There are
Paano niya
models na
tanggapin?
kahit anong ganda, kahit anong tangkad, kahit anong ganda ng output. Parang kaibigan siya ng lahat ng photographer and the lente. But if you really have a bad attitude, you'll go nowhere.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kayo sir, anong ayaw na ayaw nyo sa isang modelo? Lalo kapag kinukunan nyo na siya.
As a photographer, ang pinaka talaga namin pagdating sa model, yan, nasabi na rin ni Sir Icon na
Ay, hindi gusto ko
it's more on
bago.
it's more on attitude and
Oh, yes.
with the character. Kasi meron talagang iba na kahit na gaano siya kaganda, pero pag nagpakita ng hindi maganda sa photographers, meron din, naano din talaga ang photographer dun.
Yes, kasi mayroong nag-iisip na, ay, ang ganda-ganda ko eh. Kailangan habulin ako ng mga photographer.
di ba ganda ka?
O, di ba? Ito, napakataray pa naman ito. Yan. Nag-aral din ba kayo kung paano magpo-post? Kasi kailangan nyo yan eh, di ba?
As a photographer talaga dapat nakakapag-demo ka din para dun sa models. Kasi meron talagang models na kapag instructions lang yung binibigay natin, hindi nila agad nakukuha.
Yes.
So it really needed talaga na marunong din mag-post yung photographer kahit hindi bagay.
Kahit hindi bagay. Gusto ko yun kahit hindi bagay. Pero prone din kayo sa harassment.
Photographers?
Ang photographers.
Yeah. Kung napapansin po natin, laging may issue talaga ang mga photographers. And then meron kasing, ito, kalimitan talaga, merong mga organizers sa mga events na nag-i-invite ng photographers but they don't value the photographer.
Ah,
Yeah, actually, isa din yung sa reason kaya gumawa kami ng events as a runway. Kasi na-experience ko din yun, yung mga ini-invite ka sa isang event, runway, pageant, pero walang matinong pwestuhan para sa photographer.
Yes.
And then hindi binibigyan ng importansya yung photographer.
Parang ginagawa ka tayong squatter.
Tapos,
Ayaw natin yun.
minsan, hindi tayo binibigyan ng kahit na tubig.
Yes.
Minsan, ex-deal na nga yung event natin. Pero parang wala lang.
Tapos hahanapan ka ng magandang
Hahanapan
pictures.
ka ng
Naku,
outfit.
ayaw na ayaw ni Sir Don yan. Si Sir Don, alam mo, ang ganda-ganda lagi ng pwesto ng mga photographers niyan. At lahat ng media talagang gitna. Kasi yun talaga kailangan no? Kailangan nasa gitna talaga ang media, no? Kasi para makakuha ng the best shot.
Yes.
Oo.
I mean, kasi your photographers that you called for that event, these are supposed to be treated as friends. Otherwise, wala kang magandang output, wala kang picture. So, ano yung pagmamalaki mo dun sa event mo kung wala kang picture? Ganun lang yun. Everything in social media is visual.
Correct.
Diba? And the right arm for that is a photographer.
Kaya dapat minamahal at inaalagaan yung mga media
Minamahal nyo
friends
kami.
Yes. So, Sir Don, kailangan mahalin mo sila. Sir Don, paano ka kumuha ng isang model? Nagpapagosi ka ba? Or parang katulad din nila na depende sa attitude?
Maraming ways, depende din sa event na gaganapin. Like for example, if we have international events
yes.
like Fashion Week in Thailand, in New York, Paris and London, normally kasi ang organizer, meron na silang set or meron na tinatawag na in-house model. So it's either you use the model outside Philippines, of course, sa mga foreign models natin, or you can bring your own models. So kapag sinabi naman you can bring your own models, of course, as a designer, mamimili ka.
Correct.
I mean, you will open your doors to new faces, new talents, but at
But
the
at
end of
last,
the day, of course, pipiliin mo talaga yung kayang mag-represent ang brand mo, lalong-lalo na outside the country.
Yes. Cream of the crop.
Yeah, gone are the days na mga Brazilian lagi ang
Yes,
nagmita,
of
no?
course.
Ngayon
Alam mo ako kasi ever since naman I'm an advocate of fashion for all. So ako yung nag-start talaga na nakita ko na fashion designer na gumamit ng pandak na model, matabang model, hindi kagandahang model. So, I mean, naniniwala ko na yung fashion ay para sa lahat, hindi nagpili, no? So, yun.
Correct, no? Ang galing-galing mo doon sa part na yun. Kaya ina-idolize ka ng marami. Di ba? Kasi totoo naman yun eh. Hindi lang naman ang mga mapayat at mga matatangkad na nagdadamit eh. Ano tayo mga pandak at mga matataba na kahubad? Di ba? Walang pa... Anyway, anong plano, Kai, sa pagdating ng panahon?
Pagdating ng panahon.
Para maging ayos sa sigera ka. And ano pang plano mo sa buhay?
Plano ko, siguro, plano ko is makuha rin maging artista in the future. Kasi may plan talaga akong maging artista, pero ayun nga, napunta ako sa modeling. Pero
It's a great,
great path.
platform.
Yes, kasi mawawala yung yung hiya.
Yeah.
Ang
Correct.
pagiging artista, kailangan walang hiya ka talaga doon, no?
Kasi maraming nag-start na models before entering to showbiz.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo, correct.
Madaling-madali na lang.
Oo, correct. Meron ka na bang naisuot na hindi mo type? Na nagreklamo ka?
yeah, madaming beses.
Maraming beses na. Reklamador pala ito. Huwag mo nang kunin niya, sir. Bakit? Pwede malaman?
Minsan po kasi...
Maluwag or something?
Yeah, maluwag.
Oo. Na feeling mo hindi ka feeling mo ikaw ang dinadala nung sinusuot mo, no?
Yeah.
Oo. Para ako na rin sumagot sa iyo. Para ako na rin sumagot sa tanong ko. Ikaw, meron ka bang model na gustong mabihisan?
Yeah, there's a lot of yung mga introverts like me.
Okay.
Young dreamers like me. I really want to inspire them. Na why not join sa mga ganitong shows and be yourself, be comfortable with people, be comfortable with the cameras, and you explore and you find yourself. That's actually the main reason why I joined LPC, and it's one of the reasons as well. That's why I became a designer. It's because I was an introvert, or I still am an introvert. I'm still finding my way to to be comfortable with conversations and a lot of people. But yeah, I really want to dress young dreamers, introverts, and inspire them, yeah, to be comfortable in their own skin.
Okay. Sir Don, meron ka na bang mga model na tinanggihan? Pero bago mo sagutin yan, mag-pause po muna tayo mga kaibigan para sa ating part 2 rather ng ating talakayan na ito sa pagbabalik po ng Ice Parted.